Look at this. Balot. Let's taste it. Wow. Wow.
Everybody wanna sing, sing, sing. You're a winner when you sing, sing, sing. I've got a song, you hum along, and we have fun, fun, fun when we're moving to the beat. This kind of song makes you belong to something greater, something that makes you wanna sing.
Nababaw kabalin, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Pampanga. For today's vlog, nandito tayo ulit sa Floridablanca, Pampanga para feature natin ang opening day ng Sebastian's Paresan. Samahan niyo po ako sa video na to. Let's go! What? Nano naman siya? Overload Pares daw. Alright, so this is it guys. This is it. I wanna try first. Habang mainit pa. So this is their overload. Beef Pares Mami overload. Ayan. So in it guys, meron tayong chicharon bulaklak. Meron siyang lechon kawali. Meron siyang balot. And then meron din siyang mga mami noodles of course. Lechon kawali. Kahit na nakababad siya sa sabaw, still crispy. What I like about it, hindi siya ganun ka-alat. For your preference, pwede mo naman siya siguro dagdagan ng toyo or patis for your taste. Good job. Ayan, there's the balot. Wow. For this one, 199 pesos. This is their overload. So as low as 99 pesos, meron din naman sila dito. Ayan, so let's proceed with their lomi naman. Dito sa lomi na to, it has chicharon, chicken balls, kikiam, siomai. It also has an egg in the middle. Tapos meron siyang Shanghai rolls. Start natin dun sa noodles. Little bit spicy. So siomai naman tayo guys, siomai. Imagine guys, this is just 99 pesos. For the regular serving, it's just 79 pesos. I think, para sa akin, no? Go for the special. 99 pesos lang. And to taste guys, meron tayo sili. Right, so this time titingnan naman natin yung kanilang chicken inasal plus yung kanilang beef Pares Sisig. This is sizzling earlier. Siyempre for Sisig, hindi natin kakalimutan yung calamansi. Alright, so this is it. Just to let you know guys, no, yung sisig natin is not the typical Kapampangan sisig. It's very gingery. Kasi nga naman, this is beef. So para, of course, para maalis yung parang smell aftertaste ng beef is they add some ginger. So yung chicken inasal nila dito is from Kyle Milo Chicken Inasal. Yung pizzo is just 119 pesos. Now for the legs naman, leg quarter is 109 pesos. Cheap. Sausaw natin sa toyo mansi. Wow, ang sarap ng ano nila. Ang sarap ng recipe. Ang sarap ng recipe. Nasabi ko ba sa inyo, unlimited rice yung chicken inasal nila dito? Ayun, nasabi ko na. So there you have it guys. If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Thanks so much Sebastian Paresan for inviting us. So this is located po dito sa formerly known as Great Waves Resort. Dito po sa C5 Road, Mabical, Floridablanca, Pampanga. Guys, this is another place for you to check out. If you're interested to know more about this, check out the link we're gonna be providing below. And grabe, sobrang overload ako dito. Hindi ko nabuwas. Anyway, thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out.